What licenses and permits are required to operate a crematory in our jurisdiction? Navigating the regulatory landscape is a key part of starting a cremation business, and understanding the required licenses and permits ensures you're building a compliant and sustainable operation. At FT North America, we've worked alongside funeral homes and crematory operators across the country so we can help clarify what to expect and where to start. The specific permits and licenses required will depend on your state, county, and even city. Generally, there are three primary areas to focus on: environmental compliance, zoning, and operational licensing. 1. Environmental permits. Cremation systems, like a cremation retort or incinerator, are subject to strict emission control regulations enforced by state environmental agencies or the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. You will need permits that demonstrate your cremation chamber meets clean air standards for particulate emissions, combustion efficiency, and environmental safety. Regular emissions testing may also be required to ensure continued compliance. 2. Zoning and building permits. Local zoning ordinances often dictate where crematories can be located. Funeral home owners typically need approval to build or retrofit their facilities to accommodate a cremation chamber. This involves site inspections, ventilation system approvals, fire safety compliance, and ensuring proximity to residential commercial zones meets local guidelines. If you're unsure where to start, our team at FT North America can help you engage with local zoning boards and guide you through these approvals. Number 3, crematory operational licensing. Most states require a specific crematory operator's license to ensure that your business follows proper protocols for handling and processing human or pet remains. This license typically requires proof of facility compliance with state crematory regulations, trained and certified crematory operators to oversee the cremation process, proper documentation and tracking systems to maintain the chain of custody for remains. Additionally, there are insurance and liability requirements to consider. Cremation facilities often carry specialized insurance to cover both the operation of the crematory equipment and potential risk. At FT North America, we don't just provide cremation systems. We offer support in navigating these regulatory hurdles. Whether it's understanding environmental standards or identifying the permits needed for your location, we're here to walk you through the process step by step. Compliance is non-negotiable, and with our expertise, you can ensure your crematory starts strong, operates ethically, and earns the trust of your community.